He must get bearings concerning the road ahead. He must not lose sight of the way over which we have come and how it relates to the path or the way in which we are walking and how these are related to the road ahead. To state my meaning categorically, it would be something like this. He places before his congregation and, of course, himself, the vision of a great ideal for mankind, the ideal of one community for the children of man. The vision is of a collective destiny which includes more and more of the entire human race. And second, he calls attention to the quality of mind, the quality of devotion, the quality of commitment, and the kinds of skills, techniques, and methods by which the literal truth of this ideal may become literal fact for the individual and for society. And in this, he becomes an agent of redemption in the hands of God. Whatever has been a part of the demonstration in his particular tradition, he must be made relevantly current, and whatever may be learned from any other tradition, made available in the supreme effort of the implementation of the ideal. And you may not think as I think about this, but it is my profound conviction that the things that are true in any religion are to be found in that religion because the things are true. They're not true because they're in the religion. The things that are true in any religion are to be found in that religion because the things are true. And wherever you find them, they're true. It is not the context that determines their truth. He must expose the resources upon which he and his people may draw that can be enabling in this process. The resources of individual testimony from the past or present of those who are part of the tradition. The resources that are to be found in contemporary life, whether they fall narrowly within a context regarded as religious or not. Resources that lay at a deeper level or ground than the deliberate intent of the individual or the impersonal direction of the social process. Resources which, in my language, are to be found finally, ultimately, and uniquely in God. The sermon is not a lecture. It is not merely an academic or intellectual exercise for the stimulation of the mind. It is not a commonplace homily that lulls into quiescence or sedation. No. The sermon must always have the smell of ammonia about it. It must be vital and contagious. It is the voice of man and the voice